Hello po, Sir Lauren. So, how does it feel po winning here on Gawad Dangal?
It's always an honor. I feel very, very honored. I feel grateful that after 18 years, I feel very honored that after 18 years, I'm still doing what I love. You know what they say, do what you love and love what you do. So, I'm just grateful that I'm still here doing what I love to do.
Yeah, wala pa rin kupas lalo sa performance nyo kanina, diba?
Yeah, from winning a reality competition way back sa ABS-CBN, no?
Yeah.
Grabe din talaga yun.
2006 ata.
Yeah, grabe din. Ilang years na rin and still you're here and you're making music. Can we expect music this year or
You know what? I have like 15 songs that I haven't released yet. It's just nakatambak lang siya. So sana next month pag na-release ko yung isa, dire-diretso na yan.
You're still under...
Diyan lang, nakatambak lang eh.
What recording label are you in right now?
I'm independent right now. Yeah, so, hahanap lang ng tamang marketing strategy and then dire-diretso na yan.
Maybe JR and Chris Lawrence collab, Dennis Lawrence, Dennis Laurel. I will take, sorry for that. I will take it forever. I'm a fan of that. Grabe din talaga.
Dapat nga kakanta kami, kaso medyo na-pause siya sa dating. So, sinalo ko na.
That's why solo ka lang.
Can we get a glimpse po ba dun sa mga kanta nyo na hindi ka
I can say that the first single that I'm gonna release is called Matsala. So abangan niyo yan, Matsala. It's kind of like just being grateful. It's kind of like thank you. Parang salamat. Matsala. Saying thank you for just for even just nakikinig lang kayo sa music ko. You guys are already supporting me. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you to everybody. Mabuhay ang OPM.
We're missing you in musicals, Sunday variety shows, Party Pilipinas.
Yeah, I miss that too.
Yeah, and Asa.
I miss that too.
Yeah. Any chance of collab again or maybe
sana
perform ka na Asa?
Sana. I'm just here. If they reach out to me, then they reach out to me. Pero nandito lang naman ako.
Yeah, Malaya lang ako. I'm a fan of that. Speaking of that, we've seen the trending video of Miss Katrina Halili. Parang stage mother siya with Katie. With
I saw that.
Grabe. Any reaction to that na?
I wish I was able to be there. Nasa States ako. I had a US tour. But sobrang dami nag-send sa akin nun. And I found it very, very cute. Ganun talaga po si Katie pag tinutulungan mo. Parang napipimas. Parang, Mom, stop it!
Yeah.
Nalala ko din ako. Kasi ganun din ako nung bata ko.
Yeah.
But I'm very happy.
Parang nakuha rin yung parang ibang mga manners ko kay ano.
Talaga?
Yeah, kasi grabe din talaga. And then, she loves singing also, no? Gumibirit din. We saw the video.
When she comes home from school, all she does is sing till like 10 p.m.
Maybe idol ka rin because you're a singer, no? May advice ka rin ba or meron pa kayong mga ganong mga like music sessions? Napansin mo ba na mahilig talaga?
Yeah, when she comes over to my house because I have a recording studio, I'll record her sometimes.
Wow.
So, sana this time when she comes over, mas kakarili niya. Dito lang naman si Papa.
Any date or any, ayun, nasabi nga din.
Music. And ito naman po, last, parang let's have a quick game. Parang from your mga past songs po, since ngayon sikat yung mga love team, can you give one song or like one liner from your song na gusto nyo ikanta dito sa mga love team na to? Like ngayon, first is Kim Pao, si Kim Cho and si Paolo Avellin.
Yung mga
past songs mo po or kung gusto mo silang gawa ng kanta, pwede rin.
Like, pwede yung ikaw pa lang hanap ko, ang nais ko, ang inihintay ng puso ko, tunay na siya ang kapalaran mo, darating sa buhay mo.
Wow, kikilig yung mga Kim Pao na.
Have you heard the rendition of Garrett Bolden about
Yes,
that song?
yes, actually he reached out to me, so good luck with him.
Ganda rin, ang linis din, pero syempre iba pa rin.
I posted his version also.
Yeah,
support siya.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you
guys.
po, and
Thank you.
congrats.
We're looking forward to your new music.
Thank you. Matsal.
Si ano, hindi ko alam.
Pangdugtong lang. Panghaba.
Nalungkot ka ba?
Medyo kasi pangarap lang kita tapos
Ano ba? anong gusto mo para sumaya ka?
Hindi na ako nagsasalita dito sa kilig. Bahala na kayo dalawa siya. Alright. Oy, kilig ba kayo doon? Okay. We're about to do a game, pero ewan ko kung napapanood niyo yung interview ko lagi kay Kim and Pao. I always ask them to pick questions. So, hindi ko na i-gatekeep. Meron akong questions ulit dito. Let's give them one.
Kaya pala isa lang yung pinasagot mo sa amin kanina.
Kimi, pick a question. Tatanungin mo kay Pao.
Okay, eto na lang.
Go ahead.
The question is, now that, isa-isa, now that nakilala mo na ako, ano ba to? Would you ever go, nakakahiya! Ayoko nga!
Ako na.
Now that,
Next question.
Next question. Sige. Nahihiya si Kim.
ayoko, pang lalaki. Pang lalaki. Ayan, kung man-nominate tayo, sa Best Kiss category, sa tingin mo, mananalo tayo and why? Grabe naman!
Uy, grabe naman yung sample. Yun naman ang grabe.
Sino bang kalaban?
Si Juliana daw, tsaka Victor yung
Ayun din pala.
Mananalo si Sec Kim tsaka si BMC compared kay Juliana at Victor.
Yeah!
mananalo sila. Kasi nakailang practice sila eh.
Pao, your turn.
Sa lahat ng Excel,
Saan ba? Sa So, direct. Siyempre sa karamihan ng mga eksena, cutie naman eh.
Yeah!
Hindi nakasagot!
Bigel na bigel. Okay, may game tayo with Kim and Pao. Kasama yung fans. Pili tayo ng 8 fans. Ganito lang yan. Ililiberate nyo yung sasabihin ni Kim sa kani Pao. Saan mo? Okay, ready?
mahirap po lang.
Medyo mahirap to. Go!
Smack! 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 Quick! Smack! Smack! Quick! Smack! Quick! Smack!
God! Swak! Smack! Quick! Smack! Okay.
Hindi ko rin alam yan.
I know. Napakahirap ng phrase na yun.
Team Nation.
Thank you sa mga nakisali sa ating game. Pao, Kim, may hinandang fan video para sa inyo.
Ay, wow.
I know.
Grabe.
Turn your heads dito sa ating screen. Panoorin niyo yung hinanda ng mga fans para sa inyo.